I'm Dr. Darnita L. Payton, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. Okay, pair of glasses. I was wondering where those were. Just kidding, don't use those. Here are some paperweights. Okay, if you are a paperweight kind of person. All right, but most people just keep trinkets like this and they end up just being clutter. So if you're not actually using these, you could donate them or discard them. Gift cards. Especially around the holidays, this is the bane of my existence with my clients, because they'll say, oh, I'm going to keep that, or I can reload that, I'm going to reuse that, or it has a cute picture on the front. And I agree, because if you know me, I love myself an old country red truck at Christmas. I actually collect these, and I will give my client a pass on this one because you can reload gift cards. But my question is, are you going to do it? Generally, they don't. So they just end up in a drawer like this, never getting used. So if you're going to reload it and then gift it to someone, by all means, keep it. If you're not, then it's gone bye-bye. But I'm going to put that over here. I have no clue. No, I'm kidding. This was used, I was doing a project that needed paint, and I was using this to stir it and as a part of the project. But do I really need to keep this now? No, that can go in the trash. Random empty bag. Again, I could get 10 stories out of why this bag is in here. I'm going to use it for storage, and let me let you know, bags are not for storage. Bags are generally used for transportation, not for storage. In an ideal world. But if you have to, I understand. There are no absolutes. And what would a junk drawer be without just a random plastic bag? Now, I do use these. You can use these for your trash liners, although they make trash bags for that. Again, transportation, you're taking it somewhere out of here. So we have the bags and another receipt. Again, file it or shred it is what you want to do with that. We're getting to the bottom now, and there are more envelopes. Those could be trashed. That came from the frame. Do you really need the phone that came out of the frame? I don't think you do. Trash. Oh, a birthday card that if it really touched me, I would have already taken a picture of it or put it in, again, one of these. These are more of those glass inserts that come with picture frames. And this is a binder that someone gave me. It says, when you feel like you're drowning, don't worry, your lifeguard walks on water, and it's personalized. And I appreciate this so much. But because I do appreciate it, I don't want it in the junk drawer. I want to see it and I want to use it. So again, just for the purposes of this video, it's in here. But I would put this somewhere where I could actually see it and use it. It could go over here with my building an empire, the Kingdom Empire. So that's where we're going to put that. And I actually do have a frame. Again, most of my clients will have the things that they need. They just aren't together or they can't find them. So this could go with the glass insert, and you can make that collage. But would you? Because as you can see, this one is damaged. And yes, you could take the time to repaint it or break it again and fix it again, but are you going to do that? Likely not. So that would be discarded. Old batteries. Again, you want to be careful how you store your batteries. Just for the purposes of this video, this goes to a computer. And I remember having a client who had probably 4 or 5 laptop computers and as many batteries. And I said, well, why are you keeping the batteries? Because obviously you bought new batteries because the old ones don't work. She says, well, if the new batteries fail, I can use the old battery. Okay, you can't see my face, but my face went, huh? The old batteries no longer work. That's why you bought the new battery. So this could be recycled the way that it needs to. However you need to do it in your municipality is what you need to do with the old battery. We all have stories around why we keep things. They don't always make sense, but we have them. So this is going here with the batteries. We're getting to the end. Paint samples. I see this a lot with clients who are trying to do home projects. They go to your local store and you get all the paint samples and you made the decision, or you have it because you're overwhelmed, and you put everything here in your junk drawer. You never paint the walls because you can't decide on the color, or you can't find the paint samples, and there you are. So it's a whole thing. It's a whole vicious cycle. So put these somewhere, maybe on your wall where you can see them, make the decision, and then these can go in the trash. Okay, I don't even know. It's probably oh, I know what this is. And see, that's the moment you have. This goes to a set of Christmas lights from the Dollar Tree. You don't know where that is, so bye. Random rubber band that is so old, it pops. So obviously that's going in the trash. But I promise you, I would have a client who would say, well, you know, if I took it and if I tied it and I made a knot in it, then maybe I could use it again. And then it's good again. And there you are. There you are. No, just let it go. More ribbon, more ribbon. A twist tie, more paperwork. Wow. This was a very full junk drawer, wasn't it? I went all in for you all for this video. All right. How to make DIY potpourri spray with essential oils. I actually make this and use this. I have my own proprietary blend, but there you are. And if anyone wants to see it, this is from Fabulously Frugal. So there you are. I don't know if she's on YouTube or not, but there you are. You want to take a screenshot of that. More paperwork, information about vaccines, telephone consultation forms, again, that would normally be filed and will be now. And this is medical information, so that would go there. Vanilla Bean Noel. My absolute favorite scent in the world from Bath & Body Works. It smells delicious. Can you smell it? But here's the thing. You can see that it's almost gone. So I could use this little bit and then just discard it. Or if you're really fancy and you like to decorate, you want to call this decor, I wouldn't argue with you on that. But it doesn't need to be in your drawer. Use it and then discard it or refill it. If you're like me, I have these in larger quantities, and if I wanted to have a more convenient travel size, you can do that. But again, if you're not going to do it, discard it. All right, we have yet another composition book. Lots of these, but a lot of these were used when we were doing stay-at-home schooling, so that's why we have so many. Bookmark, because I like to use those. Okay, another notepad, and you can see because this one has been in the junk drawer that it has become stained, so we will take away those pages and discard those. Again, children during the stay-at-home school of it all, so we had lots of these. These two bags can get married. There they are. They can start a family. There you are. And oh yeah, we're all familiar with these. It is funny because when I did hoarders, I was known as the black glove lady. I do prefer black gloves over anything, but these could go in your kitchen or by your door. So if you have visitors and if you're still using gloves, or if you're cleaning, you can put these in your bathroom. So we'll put those over there. That's what I said. More batteries. Now, if these batteries were any good, I wouldn't know it because they've been in the junk drawer. Here's another battery. Oh, more batteries. Oh, and more of that ribbon. Okay, lots of batteries. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for an adapter. So this is gold right here. This is money. So I would put this where I keep my tools and things like that, or put it in my hanging folder filing system on the door. But before you leave, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and do me one favor. Tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you would like more information, please feel free to reach out to me at drdeclutter.com. That's doctor, the letter D, the word clutter.com. It'll be in the description box. If no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye.